hormonal-based therapy.
Hello, Dr. Kimville, the Hammond Doc. And I'm working on rotors today. Leslie upper rotors and put on my head. And so I'm cleaning this one. I'm using this long screwdriver because I don't want to break this off. Easy to break these off. Very easy. So I'm putting my tub of towel down in there and cleaning it. I'll use my fingers many times, stick my finger in there, and then from time to time I've cracked it. But doing it this way, I've had better success. You know, for the use of showing you, and then I only have it on camera. Okay, so getting down in there. It's clean down in there now. A little bit more. Cool. Before I store my parts, as I've said on other videos, I clean them up. And then I can store them. For future use, because you can bet that I will be using this at some point in the future. There's another one here. It looks like it's from a different era than this one. That's like an old one. That's an old one there. Real old. I'll clean this up. Put all that together. That's what I'm doing. I had to do some gluing a few minutes ago. Use some E6000. To glue on some new bafflers. Move that out of the way. I have some new ones over here, and I use E6000. Take care of those. And so when I have some that are cracked or they need a new end, on those rotors, that's how I'll do it. Alright, so that looks good. I'll go ahead and put this one together. Until the next video, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, down here in the shop, handling my business. Beautiful day today. Like 70 degrees today. Finally, summer, the winter seems like it's about to give up. Which is a good thing. Boy, we need some warm weather. Alright, till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.